Hello everyone, this is John from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on the last trading day of the week. We have received some speeches this morning and it's affecting the market so bad. What was them? The Austria is starting a new lockdown starting on Monday for 20 days because of the rising COVID cases. Another lockdown not happening, but just the possibility of another lockdown is affecting the market. That is Germany. Germany is having really high numbers of new COVID cases, and death rates are rising, and capacity in hospitals are overloaded these days. This is really serious. German health minister made a speech and then he said we cannot rule out another lockdown. He said if needed we may introduce a national lockdown. After this speech everything just fell sharply. DAX, oil, euro dollar fell sharply. Only one thing rise so fast, that is gold. So today there will be three charts as always: DAX index, US oil, the WTI, and gold. These will be our charts to watch today, and then we will just check those movements, what's happening there. All right, as you can see from the chart, you see with the speech it has fell sharply from its high, it's the really high points. All right, 150 it's right now making a support, but we may see another down, another fell. If we see this support doesn't hold the stocks, that is important, and we may forget some these high levels if we don't see decrease in COVID cases. So for German market we have to follow that rates and new cases. When those cases rises we will see lower levels of DAX index, because another lockdown, even the possibility made this fall if we just hear the real lockdown even for 1 week or 2 weeks, then it will be a lot of effect on index. All right, let's look at oil prices.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
Crude oil prices are just falling down. Brent and US oil, both of them are on decline. And let me just show you one important thing. As you know, after the fast rise of US oil WTI, we have seen starting from mid of October, almost 1 month in a tight range. We have seen back and forth, and with really surging numbers in Europe, we have seen a decline. Right now there is a decline trend in US oil, and it may deepen in short term. Reason is lockdowns and new COVID cases. These are the biggest enemy of oil prices, oil demand. When there is less mobility because of the new lockdowns, then there will be less demand, and then there will be oversupply. With oversupply, we have seen really low levels. You remember, we have seen in spot price in futures like a minus 37. That level has been seen on this pandemic and on the beginning. I'm not saying that it will happen again, we will see that levels again, but I'm saying that if we just go back to those high cases levels and that rates, we will see lower levels of US oil, and then we can make profit by selling oil. So levels to watch. As you can see here, 76.30 area is the support line. If we see a rebound from that area, we can buy. If we see a breakage of that support line as well, so we will see another, let me just show you another support area. This is 73.50 area is another support. We may see that one, but I assume that from the support level we will see a rebound, but not a long one, just a short one, because okay, people will see this as an opportunity and will buy for a short term. And if you see that's a pattern, you can just buy and then you can just make some profit. But in the long run we will see some fall in oil prices because it has risen so fast, and fall and decline, fast decline is not out of the scenario. We may see that one. All right, let's look at gold prices. All right, you see gold has fallen this morning. Actually, until that one, it was in a fall, but with speeches, with the risk in the market, we have seen decline from this point. When the speech started, it was trading at 1852 level, but after that we have seen really jump $10 rise in gold prices with these speeches of new lockdowns. So if we see these lockdown news more and risk more, then we will see higher gold prices. That is always like this. In sudden movements in other markets, people are just hedging themselves with gold and silver. So gold and silver prices may test 1869 levels in short term. Even today with US opening, we may see another retest of this level. But for medium, for a medium range, we may see just consolidating gold in this range. What is that? It's 1856 and 1869. In this level we may see it going up and down, until we hear some news. What are news? COVID is over and no more lockdown, or there is no inflation risk, something like this. If we just see a concrete plan on market, we may see decline or increase. But if the market goes like this, we will see consolidation in gold prices. All right, thanks so much for watching us. We will be together on more news and analysis this afternoon. We will close the week with you.